Here we have a 2026 Ram RHO with a 3.6 Hurricane motor. Customer wants to wake it up a little bit. We're just going to change the factory muffler out, do a little before and after here. You know what the factory ones sound like, pretty quiet. Gonna leave it all stock back here. Got a dual in, dual out muffler from the factory with an H pipe on it. We're gonna take that out and put a Flowmaster Super 10 on it. We'll get back to you and let you listen to all that. Should make it rumble. Do a take two here in just a moment. Okay, this is take two. Doesn't look any different back here, but as I said, we're going to put a Flowmaster single chamber muffler on it. It's a Super 10, dual in, dual out. It's got the factory H pipe. We did leave the little anti-drone valves, I call them. I left those in there, and we left the anti-drone little diffusers in there, as you can see. Should keep the drone down a little bit going down the road. Let's see what it sounds like. Do that real, there it goes. You kind of hear it coming down a little bit. Stages.